Starting a YouTube channel can be overwhelming, especially in 2025 when the competition is fierce. But don't worry if you're just starting out with a small channel. Here's how you can go from zero to success by creating a strategy that allows you to learn and grow without the pressure of perfection. Step 1. Create a practice channel. The biggest challenge that holds most creators back is the desire for perfection. We all want our first video to be perfect. But in reality, YouTube judges your entire channel based on that first video. Naturally, we want to make a great first impression, but the problem is we waste too much time overthinking and end up not even starting. Start by creating a practice channel. This channel doesn't have any long-term goals or expectations. You're not concerned with views or subscribers at this stage. It's just a place where you can learn and practice. The name, logo, or banner doesn't matter at all. Just focus on creating content. Step 2. Choose your niche. Once you've set up your practice channel, the next step is to choose a niche. If you already know what you want to focus on, that's great. If not, pick 2 to 3 niches you're passionate about. This way, you can experiment and see which ones suit you the best. Now use ChatGPT or any other brainstorming tool to generate 5 video ideas for each niche. Don't worry if these ideas are good or bad, it doesn't matter right now. The goal is simply to get started. Then commit to creating content consistently. Step 3, consistency is key. For the next 2 months, your goal is to stay consistent. Aim to post at least 1 or 2 videos a week. You can create long-form content or focus on shorts, depending on what suits you. If you choose shorts, aim for 4 to 5 shorts per week. Experiment with switching niches to get a feel for different types of content. The idea is to gather experience across various topics, even if your niche is already decided. Over time, you'll start gaining confidence and build basic video creation skills. Step 4. Focus on good audio. One of the most important aspects of YouTube videos is audio quality. Spend this week finding a quiet place to record and eliminate background noise. Watch tutorials on basic audio editing techniques like noise removal. Invest in a budget microphone to significantly improve your audio quality. Step 5. Master video editing basics. Learn all about basic editing skills. Learn how to make clean cuts, sync audio and visuals, and add text overlays. This will help your videos look professional, even if they're simple. Step 6. Create better thumbnails. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting clicks. Learn the basics of creating eye-catching thumbnails. Study what makes a thumbnail stand out and use free tools like Canva or Photopea to design them. Step 7. Post-production and CTR. Focus on post-production. Learn how to improve your click-through rate in CTR and watch time. This will help you get more views and improve your video's performance on YouTube. Step 8. Use AI tools. 2025 is all about AI tools. If you're not using AI in your video creation process, you're missing out. I recommend using AI image generation tools like Leonardo or DALL-E to create custom visuals for your videos. These images will be unique and add a personal touch to your content. For video editing, AI can help streamline the process. You can use AI to help with everything from video visuals to background music and voiceovers. It's a huge time saver and gives your content a professional finish. Focus on identifying which videos perform the best on your channel and try to understand why they worked. It might be the topic, format, or even your delivery. Try to replicate these successful videos while also experimenting with new content. Don't stress about the little details in the beginning. Instead, focus on creating good content with strong ideas. The more you practice and experiment, the better your skills will become.